Okay, so this is where I'm ending for tonight. It's looking pretty good. You know, I've got these pieces cut down here, and we're going to cut the ears out. And you know what's kind of interesting about how they make these things? I think I kind of figured it out. I think they actually cut the hole oversized. They put these kind of bushing pieces on the pin, and then they slip that all in, and then they weld that piece on. I don't actually think they're going to make it like I'm going to make it, which I'll probably end up having to have perfect precision for my holes, but I think that's how they do it. I'm not sure we're going to do it that way though. I think we'll do it a little bit different. So I did buy a pipe in order for us to kind of make these collars. Mine's not as thick, so it's going to be this one right here. It's not too bad, so I think it'll be fine for what we're doing. And it's a little bit closer to what we find on the Cat right here. Now this bucket here, I don't know what I'm going to do. I think we're going to have to torch the ears right off because the distance in between is not the same. So it's a really well built bucket. It's strong, but I think we're gonna have to modify it. So I don't know about that. When we get to trenching, we'll figure it out. But anyhow, we did pretty good today. I'd say last night we designed that, we 3D printed it. Today we bought the metal. I bought the metal in my lunch hour, and we cut this thing. And so I don't know, we're doing pretty good. I think that if we can get Wendy in here and get her to do her magic, she's pretty good, she says, with the cutting torch. I'm not very good. You saw me try to get that hitch off the truck. Just definitely check those videos out. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. We're doing lots of cool stuff around here. We got some pretty cool equipment. We're going to do some logging, cut some trees down. It's going to be super fun. So yeah, so make sure you sub and put some likes on some stuff. All right, guys. See you later.